Hey guys, welcome to my video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. My name is NaturalsBest and I do natural hair videos along with lifestyle and other things on my channel. So if that's something that you like, make sure you subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be diffusing my hair. I have a really old video on how I diffuse my hair. My hair was much shorter and I don't normally diffuse my hair. I like to air dry my hair. That's just my preference. It's easier for me to just go on about my day and let my hair air dry instead of diffusing or sitting under a dryer. But occasionally I like to diffuse my hair if I want that volume on first day hair. If I want, that 5-day hair or 4-day hair on my first day hair, then I go ahead and diffuse. So if you want to see how I do that, continue watching the video. Let's get right on into the video. Okay, so to diffuse my hair, I'm just going to be using my Wilmington hair dryer along with the diffusing attachment. And what I like to do normally is diffuse the ends of my hair first. And then once my ends are dry, I go ahead and start to diffuse the roots of my hair. I do it that way only because I don't want to disturb the curl of my hair. When I dry my roots, I like to put some tension on my hair just to stretch it a little bit. And so if my ends are dry, then I'm not going to be disturbing the curl and it won't frizz up as much. That's why I do it that way. I'm going to be setting my blow dryer on medium heat and the high fan setting. So as I mentioned before, I'm mainly focusing on the ends of my strands. I'm not focusing too much on the root of my hair. I will focus on that more later when I stretch my hair. But for now, I'm just going to be focusing on my hair strands and more so the ends of my hair. I also want to give my hair some volume, so you'll see me flipping my hair from one side to the other side or flipping my head over. That's just to give my hair some more volume. The more I flip my hair over and dry that way, the more voluminous my hair will get. Okay, so now I'm going to work on stretching my hair. So what I like to do is grab a section at a time, and I like to pull my hair as I'm drying. I focus on the root and I just work my way down the strands of my hair, and this just gives me more length. Alright guys, so my hair has been diffused. Now this is going to make me want to diffuse my hair all the time. So I forgot to mention my hair is freshly washed. I used the Shea Moisture's Curl Stretch Pudding, the Super Wet Gel, and some Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Oil on top. And guys, my hair feels amazing right now. Like, it feels so good. It feels so moisturized. It feels super soft. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after diffusing it. Y'all don't even know this. Like, my hair feels so lightweight. It just is bouncy right now. I'm loving the way it's feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna say this is about 98% dry. So what I'm gonna do is, it's late, I'm gonna do my usual and put it up in a bun overnight, and then I'll come back in the morning after it's nice and stretched and show you what it looks like, guys. I'm excited to see what it looks like after it's stretched. So I'll be back, guys, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like the next day after diffusing, so stay tuned for that. So this is what my hair looks like the next day. My hair looks great. It's voluminous. I love the way it feels. And this is what I like about diffusing my hair. I look like I have 4-day hair and it's only day 2. So I like that you can get instant voluminous hair when you diffuse. Normally when I air dry my hair, it normally takes me about 4 to 5 days to get this type of volume. So yeah, this is one reason I like to diffuse my hair. But like I said, I like to normally air dry my hair only because I can do things while my hair is drying, and it does take my hair really long to dry. So let me know down below what your preferred method of drying is. Do you like to air dry your hair, diffuse your hair, sit under a hooded dryer? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you give me a like because it helps me out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.